Students, classification of phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca classified into 7 classes. 7 classes present in the phylum Mollusca. This first one, A. Placophora. A. Placophora includes with primitive worm-like animals. These are the first animals. Primitive worm-like animals. A. Placophora. A means absent. Placo means plate or the valve-like structure which covers the outer surface of the body. Phora means bearing, appearing, that is absent. Body does not covers with plate. Primitive worm-like animals. Mantle, visceral mass covered with soft spongy skin, that is mantle. Mantle shell, outer surface of the body is covered with calcium carbonate hard structure, that is shell. Foot student, muscular foot helps in locomotion. Nephridia or the excretory structure, these are absent. Mantle, shell, foot, nephridia absent in these animals. Still, head poorly developed. Head is poorly developed. Cuticle contain calcareous spicules. Cuticle means outer body is covered with the layer, that is the cuticle. Cuticle contain calcareous spicules. Spicule means needle-like structure. Calcareous spicules made up with calcium carbonate. Cuticle contains calcareous spicules. Next, some mollusk with mid-ventral groove, one of the groove-like structure present at the mid-ventral region of the body. Mid-ventral region. Okay, mid-ventral means body externally shows dorsal part, ventral part, anterior part, posterior part, lateral parts, like that. Mid-ventral, that means mid part of the ventral region in the body. There is one of the groove-like arrangement. Mollusk with mid-ventral groove. Mid-ventral groove is homologous to foot of other molluscans. Okay. Example. Which are the example for class A Placophora? Example, Neomania, Chaetoderma. Neomania, Chaetoderma are the example for Monoplacophora. Next, Polyplacophora, second class. Polyplacophora. Poly means more, number of. Placo means plate or the shell. Phora means bearing. In these animals, valve or the shell is appeared in many. Polyplacophora. Student, chitons. Entire the class, total the class is includes with chitons. Chitons are the animals. Chitons present in class Polyplacophora. Dorso-ventrally flattened. Dorsally, ventrally, these are the animals are flattened. Dorso-ventrally flattened. Shell is dorsal in position. Shell is dorsal. Student, it is the diagrammatic part of the chiton. It is the dorsal view of the chiton. It is the ventral view of the chiton. Okay. Dorsal view that shows the shell. Shell is divided into 8 transverse plates. Shell is divided into 8 transverse plates in dorsal view. Okay. So, shell is dorsal, contains 8 transverse plates. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 transverse plates. If you observe ventral view, foot is there, this is the foot. This is the foot. Foot is ventral, elongated and flat. Foot is elongated and flat. Gills are 6 to 88 pairs. Gills are 6 to 88 pairs. These are the gills. These are the gills. Gills are 6 to 88 pairs. Next, development is indirect with trochophore larva. Development indirect with trochophore larva, not a Welger larva. Okay, development is with trochophore larva. Annelids also shows indirect development, and larva name is trochophore larva. Like a annelids, these are the animals also goes to indirect development, that is trochophore larva. Example, chiton. It is the chiton, student. It is the dorsal view, that is the ventral view. Lepidopleurus, another one. Monoplacophora, third class. Monoplacophora. Mono means single, placo means shell or the valve, phora means bearing. Only one of the shell that covers the outer surface of the body. Monoplacophora. Members of this class believed to become extinct million years ago but Neopilina is the animal, is collected from deep sea of the Pacific coast of Costa Rica by the research vessel that is called Galathea. Oceanographic research vessel, that is Galathea. Okay, Neopilina is collected from deep sea of Pacific coast of Costa Rica in 1952 by oceanographic research vessel, that is Galathea. Firstly, these are the animals are believed to be extinct million years ago. After some time in 1952, Neopilina is collected from deep sea of the Pacific coast of Costa Rica by oceanographic research vessel, that is Galathea. Nephridia gills show serial repetition. Sometimes it is also called internal segmentation. Nephridia gills show serial repetition. Okay, certain region of the body shows nephridia gills. Another, below the region, nephridia gills are appears. Below the region, nephridia gills are appeared. Okay, like appeared as a internal segmentation. Serial repetition of the nephridia gills are shows. Shell is single, only one of the shell. Shell is single, hence the name Monoplacophora. Art is unique. Art is shows separate type of the feature. Heart is unique, that is two pairs of atria open into two ventricles. Two pairs of atrial chambers. Two pairs of atrial chambers in the heart. Entirely two pairs, that means four chambers opens into two ventricles. Okay. Next example, Neopilina Galathea. Neopilina Galathea is example for Monoplacophora.